Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the daily candle, it finished here in the Bitcoin. As you see it here, even if we zoom it, it's not a big candle today. Market stay flat here, as you see here. So now what should we do? Should we enter long? Should we enter short? To know everything where is the Bitcoin is going to go, make sure to watch the video till the end and don't try to skip nothing. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our VIP Telegram and VIP Discord is it down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin today, it stays sideways here, like how also I accepted yesterday. We tell that to you. We told you the Bitcoin, it will not move to nowhere. We're going to have a very sideways day here. After we jump from here, from the 200 moving average, now we came here, we are stuck here at the 50 moving average. Today, the market gave us here, in the daily, I'm talking about lower time frames, it gave us here a inside bar, guys. If you came to the green candle here, or the green pin bar here, the candle will come or will close today, that one here, is it in the range of the before day? That one here, I've been talking about it thousands of times. Last time I show you one here, when it's breaking the Bitcoin, it fall down. Now, we need to wait. If we're going to break it above here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go back up. If we break it down here, that means the Bitcoin is going to fall down. That here in the daily, you can go to lower time frames and try to catch it to know exactly where it's going to go. Another thing very important here is those moving averages, as I show you in yesterday's video. I told you when we're breaking here, the 100 moving average, it's breaking here, the 200 moving average, guys. Even if we zoom it here to show you those things, what I'm talking about. As you see it here, you see that red one here, it's crossing below then the 200 moving average. What that indicating? Before it's breaking here the 50 moving average, and now the 100 moving average, it's breaking below than the 200 moving average. That is telling us we are in a downtrend, guys. Now what should we do? Because as I told you, we came or we fall down and we touching here the 50 moving average, guys, and it's going to finish a very red weekly candle. What should we do? I told you exactly like how it happened here. Same it happening in that 50 moving average. What happened here? If you see it, stay sideways here, then after that it break it down, then boom, same things is going to happen here. It's going to break it down, then there is major falling down going to come. At this time, what should we do here in the daily? Well, they are with me. Also, we enter a short from here until now. I'm still holding my short. Anything happen, I don't care, because as I've been talking with you, me are buying in the spot and enter short in the future to hedge the risk, because you never know, maybe the Bitcoin will go to zero tomorrow. So if it go to zero tomorrow, I'm going to catch it from here. But I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Another thing that week we got for you is the on-chain data. So let's go into see it there. So let's go in there. The on-chain data, guys, we got the first one, is it that one here, stock flow. That one here telling you are very close to the halving cycle. As you see it, guys, we're getting closer and closer every day. The halving cycle is that lines here, or that vertical lines here, and that event, it happened only once every 4 years. So that one is a unique event, guys, and everyone is accepting the Bitcoin is going to jump. That's what I'm focused on till now. We are very close to it, and all the Bitcoin wells or crypto wells, they are waiting that day. That's why I told you, when we saw in a correction like that, once we started buying, I buy when we touch the 50 moving average. You can ask people in my Telegram and my Discord. Now if it fall down more than that, I'm going to buy more. So that's my view personally. So I think everything is too clear here. The second one we got, let's go in there. Second one we got, guys, is it that one here. That one here, we are at that level here when the color started getting dark blue here, or a little bit blue there. As you see it here, if we came and we show you here in that zone here, as you see the color, look with me here. You see it or not? The color started changing to a little bit blue there. That is indicating you are very, very, very close to that level here. That one here and that one here. So that means you are very, very close to the bottom. Even if it happen at deep, try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin, guys. That's my advice to you. Now let's going to see the other one. The other one, guys, is that one here. That one I explained it before, but me, I said, let me bring it today. That one, when is it? The Bitcoin below in that green line here. By the way, that two is only two moving averages here. When the Bitcoin is below, then that one here is a high chance for you to buy, or you are in the bottom. And as you see it historical, it's being, when it's being down here, it's being the bottom. That's what me I'm talking about. So fundamental here, Bitcoin is telling you you are in the bottom yet, but till now we haven't broken above here that green line up like here, like how it happened here. When we break in here, that's when it started the bull run. Yes, it happened, that correction here. Same thing now, as we still waiting the break to happen up here for us to enter more long. But if it fall down more, me I'm going to buy. I think everything is too clear, guys, but that is only for long term, guys. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Ethereum, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here in the Ethereum, in the 4 hours, you remember what me I told you about the downtrend here. As you see it, I corrected here, but the Ethereum now it give you here a price action. I know it will not be clear here. You got here a head and shoulder, guys. You see it or no? I'm not drawing on the top of it for pictures to get more clear to you, and I'm going to show it to you to get more clear. You came here, you change it from candles to lines, and as you see it now, if we change in those colors like that, you see that the first shoulder, that the head, and over here is the second shoulder, guys. You see it or no? We came here, that one here, the first shoulder, the head, and that one here, the second shoulder. Should we enter long now? This time, no, my friend. At this time, we need to wait. Me personally, that's what me I'm doing till now. I'm waiting the Ethereum to break the trend line here, that one here, and I'm going to give it as a signal to the people in my Telegram and my Discord. That way, me every time I tell you to join us, as we enter a short from here, look how many profit we make. Now, if it's breaking above here, we're going to enter long. Till now it doesn't break, and it gave us here that head and shoulder as I show you just now. The neckline of it is it here. Till now even that one it doesn't get blocked, so as we still waiting to break here. The trend line is going to be better if you just want to do everything by yourself. So I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when we touch here the oversold area, now that one here it's breaking the trend line we used to have here in that indicator me I'm talking about. It's breaking here. That's why me every time I told you in that indicator it's fast than the chart. It's breaking down here. Now I'm waiting the break to happen here for me to enter long, and I told you if you want exactly when is it the time, you can join also in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. I think everything is too clear. Ethereum now also we prepare to enter a long, guys. For Ethereum also we prepare to enter long. I repeat it again and again. So everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin what they're doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here I told you that 2-3 days I told you like that we got here the down channel like that. As you see it, very clear down channel. I told you either the Bitcoin is going to go to touch the top of it here, then from there is going to fall down again. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, what did I told you? I told you either we're going to come and to break here in that level here, and if it's breaking there, that down channel is going to be a flag, guys. You see it or no? It's going to be like that, a flag. So if it's breaking here at that zone here, that's when you can enter long. If it's not, and just the Bitcoin came and touch here in Monday, Then we're going to try to find the entry short to down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So I think everything is very, 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 very clear. Bitcoin here in the 4 hours, there is not a clear picture. Yes, we got here. Bitcoin tried to give us here a triple bottom here, but till now couldn't break the neckline which is here. You saw it or no? The Bitcoin it couldn't break here. Should we enter long? At this time, not yet, my friend. At this time, we need either the break to happen here, and also we're going to enter a long just to here, or another scenario, we wait in the Bitcoin just to touch the top of that channel, then from there we try to enter short. Everything is too clear because the top of that channel here, that one is for swing trading. If we break in here, we're going to enter long. But if we just break in here, we are just going to enter for day trading to here, guys. Everything is too clear. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it very, very close to touch the down of the trend line here. In the chart, it hasn't because that trend line here, that is the top of that channel. So here, if it break it here, it's going to be a confirmation for me. The Bitcoin is going to break even the top of that channel in the 4 hours. Also, we came to you every day and we show you that one here. We told you that one is a very, very stronger support. Yes or no? That's what us we told you. We haven't break it here. So also we're still waiting. If it break here, we need to wait and the break to happen in that down channel in the 4 hours. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, guys, as you see it, our indicator is down here at the oversold area. Level us, we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. You see it or no? Should we enter long at that time? No, my friend. I told you, for us to enter long, it's need either that one to come to break the top of that flag here or that down channel, or it's need at least to break the triple bottom neckline here for us to enter just to the top of the channel which is here. At this time, even if that indicator is it here at the oversold area, there is no entry long because also we don't base our trade on indicators, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please pause that video now. Now, yes, you now is only a thumbs up which is down. Watch it, write down a comment. That's it. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, in the last video, watch me, I told you we got here a flag like that. Like that. We got here a flag. You see it or no? Did the Bitcoin breaking above here? No, we haven't breaking above here for us to enter long. Did the Bitcoin breaking down here? No. A flag is a continuation pattern, guys. Another thing I tell it to you in yesterday video. That for the short, for the long I told you, we got like that. A very, very clear symmetric triangle, guys. If it's breaking here, we need to enter long. If it's breaking down here, that's when it's going to break the lower of that flag. And also we need to enter short, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, it's very close to touch here the oversold area. Should we enter long now? If it's breaking above here, yes, we can enter long. If it's breaking down here, we need to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear? That's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.